Question number 39. The HR diagram shows two stars X and Y, X and Y. Three statements are made from star X and Y. Now you see this is surface temperature, this is luminosity. Star X is hotter than star Y. Star X is hotter than star Y. See, I had already been telling, whenever you write a HR diagram, the surface temperature here will increase in this direction. Luminosity will increase in this direction, right? Usually what we do whenever we are doing temperature graph, we'll write temperature increase like this over here. But here, this could be something like around 4000 Kelvin. Okay, this could be 5000, 7000, 8000, 10,000, 11,000, 15,000, 30,000. We keep on increasing in this direction. Okay, and luminosity would be increased in this direction. So therefore, now what is this rule here? It says star X is hotter than star Y. So definitely this temperature is lower, this temperature is higher. Thus you can say this is correct. This is correct. Star X has a larger radius than star Y. If you remember, in your HR diagrams, you would have got some lines like this. You would have got some lines like this. Some lines like this. And in these lines, they would be written something like here. For example, this would be the sun over here. This sun would be 1 times R0. This would be 10 times R0. This would be 100 times R0. And this could be 0.1 times R0 and so on. So as a result of it, as we keep on going in this direction, what do you see? That the radius keeps on increasing, right? So thus, this is also correct. Star X is above Y in this diagram. So star X has a larger radius than star Y. Star X is more luminous than star Y. See, this Y coordinate is larger as compared to this Y coordinate. So definitely that is also right. Therefore, is also right. All the three, 1, 2, 3 are correct. Thus, you can say option D is the right answer.